Yo, this place is completely collapsed and gone. What did we get ourselves into? What is going on, guys? I'm in upstate New York right now. We're at the Pines Resort. It's been abandoned since 1998 and was built in 1933. It's a luxury resort, so we don't know what we're gonna really find. Maybe something good. I don't know, we're gonna look around. They're saying that a lot of these buildings are just collapsed inside. And as we were walking by, we saw them just like you can barely like walk through them. You can take a look. Wow. Oh, I already smell it. There's asbestos. Guys, look at this bridge.
I was just saying, I think it can hold my weight.
Possibly. I kind of want to get in that room just to see how it looks inside. Oh, that's an elevator. Yeah, I am not even going to stand in there.
Dude, it's sunken down like 6 inches.
Yeah.
I don't trust that. I mean, you can see the. Nope. Stairs like some of the best stairs we've ever walked on. Like once you get to the top of the stairs, like press lightly where you're stepping. I'll be down here to catch you.
Down here to catch me. All right. Wow. Place is a mess.
It's pretty sweet, and that's the pool right over there.
Oh, that is the pool over there. I mean, not fall through here.
Oh yeah, this is definitely not safe.
Yeah, there's the pool. Look at that pool. Is it skatable? I don't think so. Walls look flat. So Austin pointed us out, there's steel I-beams sticking out from the ground. So this spot must have been covered at one point. Had a roof over it. So you could probably swim in the rain. Or if it's snowing outside, you could probably still swim in the swimming pool back in its prime. First letter's gone, but it's got to be either Dorchester or Borchester. Think it's Dorchester? Yeah, probably Dorchester. Oh yeah, that thing's about to fall down.
It creaks every time the wind hits it. Listen.
Yeah, here. Nice. Yeah, watch out for that. Place is a mess. This place is not even that old. 1998. Got abandoned. Everything's like closed in over here. Holy crap. That's a drop down. I feel like if you try to walk throughout here, you might fall down in the basement. I don't think that's a rooftop. I think that's a bridge. Oh, that looks crazy. It's like a pond or something. It's like huts on the side here. It's so odd. Oh, there's geese. There's geese just like living their lives in here. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely gotta be another swimming pool. Well, this has to be like the coolest find. I've never seen a pool like this before that has a bridge right over it. So there's that. You telling me you've seen this before?
I have seen a bridge similar like this, yeah.
Maybe it's more
The
common
one
than I
that
think.
I've seen is a little bit more reinforced.
Yeah,
a little
this is
thicker than this one
Yeah,
is.
I don't know.
But I
I
have seen the concept.
barely trust this thing.
We do know through hundreds of years of architecture, the arch is the strongest shape.
No doubt about that.
Yeah, this is the stadium. Not
Yeah.
stadium, theater. They said there was a theater. This is the theater.
People definitely spray painting in here. You see, guys, like it will be sectioned off. I don't know what they did here, but who knows? Some more isolation walls. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, these are the tennis courts. Check that out. If you can see behind me, there's construction going on. Developments being made, houses. So they're kind of slowly taking this place apart, which is kind of crazy. It's kind of sad, but we've reached it before they could take it apart. Just gonna go back down this trail over here to the first pole we saw. As you can see, there's one pole right there. Go up these steps. This trail, everything's overgrown. It just looks ridiculous. Just looks insane. And there you have the second pole. Yeah, let me not forget this. That would be bad. Weird.
Huh?
You heard that?
Yeah. The sound of the buildings moving.
I hope so. Hope it's like nobody else in here. Oh wow! Look at this. I just realized this. This is, no, but then it's like a makeshift bridge to get across. It's like perfectly in place. Yeah, it's another one.
It's even shiny.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna fall in the water.
Oh,
Yo! Guys, I'm good. I didn't even get wet. I'm not doing that ever again.
structure
That's pretty bad. I am not going underneath this. In fact, I'm not going throughout this whole building. Sorry guys, but it's really that bad. Floors are collapsed. If I walk, I could just fall down to the basement. Not good. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up. It's getting dark. Pretty far from home. So that concludes this adventure. Make sure you subscribe. We go on adventures all the time. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this spot. Pretty cool, right? All these pools. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. And I'll catch you on the next adventure. Take it easy.